Well, good morning from the great state of Oklahoma. We have hunted hard for about a day and a half. Yesterday we got close. Darren had an opportunity on a bird and decided to hold on to see if Sarah could get a shot, and she couldn't get a shot, and about that time he seen something he didn't like and skirted off. Then we went back in and watched 2 toms and about 7 hens for like 3 hours, but they were on the opposite end of the food plot and we couldn't never really get any closer to them. And yeah, they wouldn't respond, they wouldn't come, they were henned up. So we are here this morning at the hutch getting a little bit of coffee. We're gonna head out. We actually moved a couple blinds in last night after it got dark, closer to where those birds were last night. So that's our plan. We're gonna hop in the blind and hopefully these birds show up this morning. We got till about 9:30 before Sarah's got to fly out to Maine. So fingers are crossed that we can try to get her first turkey she's ever killed. There's a long beard. Is there? I think so. There is. Yeah, coming straight over. Yes.
Do I need my safety off? Tell me when to shoot. When do I shoot? What? Oh, I can't see the one left. When? Oh, baby. When? When?
Which one?
Now.
Which one?
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh my god, did I get it? Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Good shot. Good shot.
Oh my god.
You got him. Good job, man.
Dude, was that a show or what?
Oh, man. Oh, my gosh.
Dude, as soon as they saw that Jake, they were coming.
Man. God, they sounded like Jakes when they were gobbling.
You said, "Oh, that'd be cool. That'd be cool if there was a couple long beards." And as soon as he popped out, I saw that old beard do this.
Oh, man.
I was like, "Dude, it's a long beard." And then you're like, "There's 2 of them."
They had to have walked right by the truck, too.
Dude, they had to have walked by the truck.
Oh, that's awesome. You warm now?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Oh, man.
I just got my first turkey.
You did. And it's a Rio. And I think it's a pretty nice one.
Yes. Those birds have kicked our butt. And then just like that,
I
it's
know.
just like, boom. We couldn't get them birds yesterday to do anything. These, as soon as they saw it, The decoys, they
They come
Come.
sprinting, dude.
come sprinting. That was awesome.
Oh, babe. I'm so freaking excited.
There's no where you hit them. Oh, you got them. Yeah, you got them right here.
Okay.
Pretty bird.
I don't even know how to hold it.
Yeah. Those 2-year-old.
Oh, should I have my gloves on?
That's one of them old 2-year-olds.
Yep.
He read the script.
Come sprinting. Can't believe how aggressive he was. Oh, he didn't shoot.
I mean, I didn't get your decoy. Or I did.
I don't know how he did it. He was right over the top of it. That's cool.
Yeah,
That was awesome.
I'm happy.
I'll hold him.
Yes, I do. Well, I don't know how to do it though.
Just like that.
Like that. Oh my god.
First turkey?
Yes,
First ever
I'm
turkey.
so excited. First ever turkey.
That's cool.
And you got a show.
You come all the way to Oklahoma. That was awesome. That was a show.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they were ready to fight.
I wonder why that second one was so timid. I think
He
was
must be the dominant. I
think-
don't know.
Which is surprising because the other one looked like it had a bigger beard on it. But I guess beard size doesn't matter. See how pretty they are?
I can't see that over there.
I don't know where the hole's at. There's a BB in there.
God.
There's a dead turkey, so it was worth it.
Oh, heck yeah.
I like
Yep.
this way.
Yep.
Woo, I don't know if I can do that.
There you go.
Okay. That was a fail.
And then